Planning the delivery and production of documents in a large project can be needlessly difficult. In this video, we will see how Quantum 360 envisions the future of document deliveries. First, let's look at the team in our example. It is a large team with 7 different organizations. This view shows us the individual positions. The groups they belong to can report to a position in another group. For example, the design management reports to the project leader, which is me. We will see later how that comes into play. Now let's look at the delivery plan feature. You can set some basic options, such as the communication language, and start the delivery plan. The settings let us define rules for all organizations on the project. We can choose if deliveries and publishing happen automatically as soon as documents are approved in quality assurance. Here you can also control which organization has access to published documents. We can add as many document types as we want, and with document properties, we can define various kinds of metadata and connect it to the document types. Quality assurance can be set up separately for producers and receivers. The next set of rules is controlled individually by each company. Everyone decides in how many steps they want to deliver the documents and who can see their planning and progress. In the naming and numbering setting, each organization can choose how document IDs and names are created using the metadata we defined earlier. As you can see, we created 4 stages for our delivery. Let's plan some documents. If you prefer to work in a spreadsheet, you can download a template from here, fill it out, and import it. I imported several documents, and here you can see some of their metadata. We can also add documents from scratch and fill out the information from here. The app tells me which properties are required. If you select multiple documents, a bulk option will appear. From here we can edit multiple documents at once. Let's move on to the Delivery tab. I'll use Bulk Edit again to select Delivery Package 3 and a receiver for multiple documents. You will notice that they are marked now. If we navigate to the Quality Assurance tab in Delivery Package 3, we will see that we need to specify who is responsible for which stage of QA. I will leave the suggested dates. This one is optional. I will skip it. And I can bulk edit these as well. At this point, other companies have shared their plans with us, and we can see the overview here. If I were not a project leader, but a discipline member, by default this is what I would see, only what is related to my group. Let's look at the current delivery package. It opened the Progress tab. The documents are in various stages of approval. This one is in Quality Assurance. Some steps are already done. I will accept this last one. The document is now delivered to the receiver, who is about to perform their own quality assurance. Now let's look at all the documents in this package. There are some that we receive from sub-producers. The quality assurance process for them is the same, but the stages are set up differently. We are now the client of the project. There is a space dedicated to publishing. And if we were to look at the producer's documents, we now have the Publishing tab available. We can choose which documents we want to publish and if we need anyone's approval. Now let me go back and open the Publishing list. Here we can find all the documents that are marked for publishing from all organizations. Try out Quantum 360 and leave your feedback at quantum360.no.